Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a stunning Honda CBF1000 ABS model. So I believe you could probably buy these with or without ABS. This one has the extra of ABS. It's got a few little extras on it, but overall I would call it fairly original condition. Original exhausts, all that kind of stuff, mirrors, blah blah blah. Extras include these little nice crash bungs on it that have been fitted. We've got a new genuine filter as well, as you can see there. Pipes are original all the way through. You can see even from the radiator, the bike has had, very little harsh riding on it. And front mudguard, all really nice. It's got nice Bridgestone tires on it at the front here. Blue little dust cap. Front mudguard's in excellent condition. Headlamp assembly. Screen, mirrors, right hand side plastics, all really nice. Right hand side of the tank, all beautiful. Everything like that. Up over the top we've got plenty of original keys, 2 original keys. We've got tax till the 8th 2024. We've got Oxford heated grips fitted to it. Aftermarket levers here that are adjustable, as you can see, the nice quality ones as well. We have seat here, all really nice. Rear plastics here, all good. The exhaust is in very, very nice condition. In here, all really, really smart. Rear tire is good, and it's also a Bridgestone Battle Axe 2008 model, CBF1000. We've got the tank grips. Chain and sprocket look good as well. Overall, really smart bike from top to bottom. Can't really make any faults on it, as you see it here. Not much to really say about it in terms of damage, anything like that. I believe it's 33,000 miles on it, as you can see there. It's kilometers, I believe, actually. Yes, 33,000 kilometers, which makes a big difference. It's kilometers, not miles. We've got a voltmeter here, which is displaying the battery. That's a little aftermarket, but it's been very nicely and neatly fitted, as you can see here, not obstructing anything or obnoxious in the way. Overall, really beautiful bike. Not really anything you can say poorly about it. As far as the CBF1000s go, I would reckon that it's one of the best ones or better ones that are out there on the market. So that's it for the walk around. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so from the CBF250 to the CBF1000, quite the upgrade here in terms of power, certainly. This bike's on the button, really, really nice. Let's get the mirrors sorted here. Ignition on, and away we go. First gear. And one thing I will say is it's just so smooth, this bike. Sitting position is really pleasant. No real strain on your wrists, hands, anything like that. You're pretty much sitting upright as well. You've got decent protection from the front fairing here in terms of wind and rain. And yeah, overall very, very smooth, nice bike. Certainly doesn't feel heavy once you get going anyway, or cumbersome. You definitely feel like you have, a lot of the bike in front of you. You have a lot of room from where you're sitting all the way to the front here in itself, but really that's not really going to make any odds, just an observation that I'll make. Plenty of power there, as you can see. Pickup is really good. Bike is sounding very smooth. Indicate to the right here. Make sure no one's coming out. It's kind of hard not to use the power though, even in this. It kind of comes in nearly at 4,000, just at 4,000 revs there. The power comes in, and it's kind of yearning you on to use it. Certainly would make a fabulous commuter bike, everyday bike. Maybe a little Sunday tip around on the weekend to get a coffee or go out with your mates or something. Certainly you do it all kind of city bike. Go down to Wexford, Wicklow, 100, 200 kilometers on the bike, perfect. Very, very pleasant. You've got your heated grips as well. Let's do a bit of rev matching, but too much revving. Really beautiful, beautifully smooth motorcycle. Overall, as you would expect from these larger 4 cylinders that Honda produced in the late 2000s there. As well, ABS is very pleasant to have on a bike of this age, even though it is maybe quite simple. Brakes feel absolutely excellent. And something that isn't mentioned an awful lot is you have these very, very big, powerful bikes, but the brakes are so excellent on them, certainly compared to even maybe the smaller bikes. It's just such powerful brakes at the front there. It makes a big difference. If something comes out in front of you, you know, you can really put on the brakes without fearing locking up or not being able to stop in time. Anyway, in terms of electrics here, the horn is working there. We have indicators which we'll check here. Rear left working there. Sorry, I had to really go down to be able to see that because it's integrated. I've stuck on the tree here, sorry. Front left there working. Front headlamp you can see is working. I'll do the high beam now. Front right indicator working, and rear right indicator working there. You mightn't be able to see, but you see the light for the rear brake is working, and we have light at the front, full beam there as well working, and the light on the dash also coming on for your full beam as well. So that's the CBF1000. It's stopping, starting, running, idling absolutely beautifully. A very well kept bike, as you can see, and would really make someone happy, and a very good example of a CBF1000 if you're looking for this age and model. So if you do want to reach out to us, please do reach out to us on www.retrobikesdublin.com, Instagram at retrobikesdublin, and same with Facebook at retrobikesdublin. But that's been it for this video. If you do like the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.